What is going on? I'm going to be showing you today in this quick video how to verify your domain on Facebook in the Business Manager. It is a process that is essential in 2021, and it's actually a very simple process. Before we jump into that, if you're new to this page, I am the co-founder of Expandify Marketing. We're a marketing agency that's been working very close with clothing brands all over North America, helping them scale from 6 to 7 figures. So enjoy this video, and before we start, this lesson, if you do like these videos, make sure that you subscribe, as well as make sure that you like this video. That way we can know to keep on creating videos like this and content like this. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So why do we need to verify our domain in 2021 compared to other years? This is very simple. Due to the new iOS 14 update, Facebook is now limited with the amount that they can track throughout the web. So Apple has put a bit of a restriction. So we really want to make sure that we verify our domain, simply because once you verify your domain, you will be able to add 8 events to that domain. If you're not familiar with what events are, or you're not familiar how to do that, no worries. I will show you how to do that in another video. Now, to explain a little bit more about what I just touched on, you are now allowed to only track 8 events per domain name. So what is an event? An event could be a purchase, could be an add to cart, could be initiate checkout. So when you do a conversion campaign, the objective that you select, so if you're doing a conversion campaign for purchase, that is now one event that you can track. So you really want to make sure, depending on your domain, if you're going for more leads, maybe, the ones that people are using for Shopify and for e-commerce stores may not be the same that you want to use, especially if you're doing more custom. So you really want to make sure that you select the 8 that are the best for you. And again, that's really up to you. For us, I know we work with a lot of, e-commerce stores, so we really want to track purchases, and especially when you get to a store that has enough purchases, you can actually, there's a little spot where you can select, and it counts as 4 events to really make sure that you get that extra data. And then we do initiate checkout, add to cart, and then view content. These are the ones that we do for you. Again, if you can't check that, there's no problem. It probably means that you just don't have enough data on your purchase pixel yet, which is very common, especially with brands that are making 6 figures and less. So like I said, it's really up to you to choose what events that you will want to put with your domain. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to verify your domain and really get the first step done. So let's jump right into it. So step number 1, open up your business manager. If you're not sure how, it's business.facebook.com, okay? And then once you open your business manager, and of course, this is for people that already have it set up and are already familiar with this, then what you're going to want to do is right over here, as you can see, there is something, there's a little gear icon right over here. And this little gear icon, you're going to want to select. Once you've clicked the little gear icon, then what you're going to want to do, step number 3, is you're going to want to click on brand safety domains. Generally speaking, this is on the left-hand side. So once you see brand safeties, you're going to want to click on domains. After you do that, you're going to want to click on add. So you come right over here. After you click the settings, you're going to come right here, and it's going to be, your business settings for your business. You're going to want to click on domains. If you already have your domain and it's not verified yet, you can skip a little bit through this video. But if you're really at this spot and you have no domains, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on add. Once you click on add, that is when you're going to want to enter your domain. So whatever your domain name is, this is where you're going to want to enter it. For us, we have many Expandify marketings. So for this example, I used expandify.ca. After you've typed it in, you don't have to do www. You just type in your domain name with, if it's .ca, .com, whatever the case may be, and then you click on add. After you've done that, it's very simple. This is where you're going to get a little bit more confused. Okay, and if you do have a web developer, I really suggest for the following steps that you get him to do this if you're not familiar, with the head tag of the website. So after you come here, there's 3 ways that you could, verify your domain. Personally speaking, I find the easiest and least of the headaches is the meta tag verifications. If you want to use HTML file upload or DNS verification, go ahead. This video is specifically for meta tag verifications. We don't like to touch too much with this, but again, if you have a developer and he wants to do it through HTML file upload or DNS verification upload, then you're just going to want to do the same steps, but you're just going to want to screenshot this obviously and send it to him. So for this example, if you know where your head tag of your website is, it's very, very, very simple. all you're going to want to do is click on meta tag verification. Make sure that you click on here, and then you're going to get right over here, add this meta tag to the head section in the HTML file of your domain page. Okay, so click on this link. I've blurred mine out because every single person has a custom main link. So what you're going to want to do is select this. Once you select this, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to paste it in the head tag, and then you're going to want to click verify. Okay, so if you're not sure where the head tag is, if you are using a Shopify store, open your Shopify store and find the theme.liquid page. Again, I only recommend this if you are a bit familiar with these head tags on your website. If you are not, do it developer, as well as what you're going to want to do if you're on ClickFunnels. You're going to want to open up your ClickFunnels. You're going to want to go to the specific funnel that is linked to that domain, and then you're going to want to click on the settings, and then where you've added your Facebook pixel, that is where you're going to copy and paste all of your code right underneath, of course, the Facebook pixel. Now, once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is you're actually going to want to refresh this page and click on verify. Okay, if it still says error after you've done this, it could take up to 48 hours. Really, it's 24 hours, but again, we've seen 48 hours with some of our clients. So I hope this helped. And again, like I said, I'm going to be dropping the link very soon for you guys to see how to actually associate the events with the domain. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, our name is Expandify Marketing. We work specifically with e-commerce brands, helping them generate more sales on their website using paid traffic. So if you did like this video, make sure that you subscribe and like, this video. It's been a pleasure, and I'll see you in the next videos.